Hi everyone, I am Sriman. I head the packaging development and commercial device engineering at Takeda Pharmaceuticals. In recent times, apart from focusing on innovation and technology, we have also been focusing on sustainability. The role of packaging development and commercial device engineering is a complex role. However, it also gives a lot of opportunities. The bottle, by replacing from the conventional fossil fuel plastics or polyethylene which we use, by moving into bottle made out of biopolymers, we were substantially able to reduce the carbon footprint of the bottle itself, through which eventually we will be contributing towards Takeda's ambition of being a net zero company. We are also evaluating use of that material for our blisters as well, which will enable us to again move into blisters which are made out of biopolyethylene and therefore reduce the eventual carbon footprint. We are closely partnering with our suppliers to develop new materials, to work on new printing processes, to work on new manufacturing processes, as well as to use recycling materials in some of our secondary and tertiary packaging. We are also partnering with a lot of like-minded peer companies and organizations to try and bring in a consortium where we can recycle our devices in some form